Hey, this is Android 894. This is a little step-by-step video of me replacing my inner barrel on my AK-47 Beta. First, you want to push in the back tab and take off the upper receiver. Then take out the two screws that are on the weighted bar on the top of the gun. Then take out the small screw next to where the bar used to be. After this, you'll need to remove the push rod and the small hop-up adjuster. It usually helps to pull back the cocking lever in order to loosen it. At this point, the gun should look like this. Next, take off this screw and the lever which is on the other side. Then slide off the piece above the handguard. Remove these two screws and slide off the front section of the gun. Try not to lose the small nuts which are in the slots on the sides. At this point, the gun should look like this. Remove the barrel along with the hop-up from the gun. Remove the clip from the hop-up bucking and slide out the hop-up bucking and barrel. After you pull it out, it should look like this. Then insert the new barrel with the old hop-up bucking back into the hop-up. After you have the new barrel in, you can put it back into your gun and put the gun back together. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.